So, Thomas, want to race to the station to pick up the children to take to their homes? Yes, Bertie, but I'm waiting for Percy to bring Annie and Clarabel. G'day, mates. G'day, Shane. How are you? I'm doing well, thank you. So what can I do to help you today? I'm waiting for Percy to bring Annie and Clarabel to me so me and Bertie can go to the station to pick up the school students so we can take them home. Well, do you two always race? Yes, we do. Well, in the TV show, our real counterparts were racing. Yep, we sure do love racing. Can you check on Percy? Okay, I'll go look for Percy. Be quick, Shane. I have to leave soon. It's nearly 2:30. Oh dear. It's all right, my friend. The minions are working their very, very best to fix you. Oh, I hope I'll be mended soon. Percy, what's happened? Oh, Shane, I'm having engine problems. I can't shut Annie and Clarabel for Thomas. Someone will have to do it for you, Percy. But everyone else is busy. Well, I've got things to do as well. I know someone who can help shunt Annie and Clarabel while you're away. Who? I'll bring him over. Wait here. So, what are you boys supposed to do? Shunt Annie and Clarabel for Thomas to take. Okay. Everyone, this is School Bus Salty. Hello. Hi. G'day, mate. You're part of the Wave 1 series of 2018. Indeed I am. I'm on Mermaidville's checklist. School Bus Salty? Is he gonna replace me? Not completely. Only while you're away. He can take passengers as well as Thomas and Bertie could. Oh, can you shunt Annie and Clarabel? Well, are those Thomas's coaches? Yes. They're somewhere in the yards. I can take you to the yards. Oh, okay, Mermaidville. Do you know the way? Yes. I've got a house tour yesterday. Now I know every way to go to. How long is Percy taking? I don't know, dear. I hope he comes here soon. Who are you? I'm Mermaid Belle, and this is School Bus Salty. Nice to meet you two. You must be Annie and Clarabel. Yes, we are. Where's Percy? Percy's having engine problems, I'm afraid. So I'm going to take you two to Thomas. You would? Do you know where Thomas is? Yes, he's at the end of the bedroom. I'll take you there now. Hold on. Goodbye, School Bus Salty. I'll see you later. I do hope someone brings Annie and Clarabel. Don't worry, Thomas. If Percy's away, I'm sure another engine could do it. Hello there, Thomas. Who are you? I'm School Bus Salty. Another bus? I thought I was the only bus in the MINIS range. Not anymore, Bertie. I've brought your coaches. How? I thought Percy was supposed to bring them. Percy's having engine problems. Oh, well, thank you anyway. Now we can start our race. And I heard that there's going to be more children coming from the station. You're just the engine that can help us. Or a job for me? Well said. When do we start? Now. We're going to the station to pick up the students. So what do I travel on? You travel on the tracks because you're an engine, not an actual school bus. Well, I am a school bus on train tracks. Yeah, we get it. Come on, Thomas, let's go. Okay. Ready, set, go. Whoa! Hey, wait for me. There you go, Percy. You'll be safe in here. Thanks, Emily. Hold on, look. What? Last one to the station is a broken brake van. We'll see about that. Ha 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 ha. Was that school bus Salty racing with Thomas and Percy? Yes, I think they're picking up the passengers from the station. Well, it's the end of the school day and everyone will be going home for the weekend. Oh, today's Friday. Not Friday the 13th, that was 2 weeks ago. Yeah, I know, but still it's important for kids to go home and have their dinners. Yep, they can stay up as long as they like. And when it's the weekend... Okay, Emily, thanks anyway. I'm then going back to Victor. I hope Thomas wins the race. I think.